Good morning everybody. Today I am in front of you in your math class. Chapter 2 Fraction and Decimals. Exercise 2.3. Question first. Find 1/4 of 1/4, 3/5, 4/3. Three questions in the first question. All are multiplied with 1/4. How you find the answer? Solve. 1/4 of 1/4 is equal to 1/4 into 1/4. It is the rule. First you find the product of both numerator. Means 1 into 1 by 4 into 4 is equal to 1/16 answer. Similarly, you will solve the next question. In question 2, multiply and reduce to lowest term if it is possible. First question, 2/3 into 2/2/3. It is a mixed fraction. You will convert it into improper fraction as solve 2/3 into 3 to the 6 to 8 by 3. You will find the product 2 into 8, 3 into 3, 2 8 ja 16. Now 3 3 ja 9. It is the answer. Now question number. Now I am going to solve your question number 4. No. Question number 3. Multiply the following fraction. First question, 2/5 into 5/1/4. It is the same as question number 2. How you will find the answer? 2/5 into, you will convert it as an improper fraction. 4 5 20 or 1, 21/4 is equal to 2 into 21 by 5 into 4 is equal to, you will multiply both 42 by 20 answer. Now in question 4, which is greater, 2/7 of 3/4 or 3/5 of 5/8? For it 2/7 of means into 3/4 is equal to 2 into 3 by 7 into 4 is equal to 2 3 ja 6 by 7 4 ja 28. And for 3/5 of 3/5 into 5/8 is equal to 3 into 5 by 5 into 8 is equal to 15/40. Here we see two fractions, 6/28 and 15/40. Now you will try to find which fraction is greater. For it you will convert both denominator as same. For it you will find the LCM of 28 and 40. LCM of 28 and 40 is equal to 28 40. 2 into 2 into 7 into 10. 280. Now we can write it for 6 by 28 is equal to 6 by 28 into, you will divide 280 by 28, 10 times, means 10 by 10 is equal to 10 6 are 60 by 28 10 are 280. Similarly, 15 by 40, 15 by 40 is equal to 15 by 40 into, you will divide 280 by 40 7 times, means 7 by 7 is equal to 15 7 are 105 by 47 are 280. Here we see that 280, 280, both denominator are same. So, and 105 is greater than 60. Here 105 by 280 greater than 60 by 280. Therefore 3 by 5 portion, 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Answer. Now next question you will complete it. And now I am going to solve your question number 6. Now I am going to solve your question number 7. It is the last question for today. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will cover using 2 upon 3 by 4 liters of petrol? It is the same question as 1, 2, 3, means a product. How you write it? 16 km in 1 liter. In 1 liter is equal to 16 kilometer. In 2 upon 3 by 4 liters. 2 upon 3 by 4 liters is equal to 2 upon 3 by 4 into 16 is equal to 4 to the 8, 3, 11 by 4 into 16. 4 just 16, 44 kilometer. Thus the car will cover the distance in 2 upon 3 by 4 liters of petrol is 44 kilometer. The distance covered by car in 2 upon 3 by 4 liters petrol is equal to 44 kilometer.